Hey James, hold up for a sec. Once you've got it screwed in, then you just simply pull this handle and it slowly goes down. You let go of it and it'll stop. Link below. I will just quickly show you how easy it is to disassemble. 3-step process. Okay. A little bit of a jingle. There we go. One piece. This one's the trickiest bit. Sometimes it doesn't come out so easy, so what I do, I just go boom, like that with my foot. You ready? There we go. It's your second piece. And your third piece. Push this down. That will start to retract like that. And that's the lightest piece. While I go mix the mud, I'll carry this piece down. And every time I go down, back to the van, I'll take a piece down. Yep. That's a wrap.